Congratulations to all ICE Network miners and all people that bought ICE Network, and also people that transferred their ICE Network to their own online plus application, right? So congratulations to each and everybody. Today is 17th of the month and ICE Network finally integrated the ICE token to ION, right? Which means ICE Open Network. That is the full meaning of ION, in case if you don't know. Now, what is the current news and what is the procedure, and also what is the benefit of all this? Now, you see, you can be able now to swap your ICE coin to other tokens as well, which means the blockchain is now operating fully. But here's the thing I would like you to know. ICE Network is yet to list their token. They will list their token very soon. Here's the update and the listing plan and everything you need to know about ICE Network. Now, before we enter into that, if you know that you are yet to transfer your ICE token, do well to transfer them so that you can be able to swap them. Now, the swapping is now active. You can be able to swap your coins. So in case if your own is wasting time, you want to swap your own, you're having any issue, chillax, just hold on. From now, in the next 72 hours, you can be able to swap if you swap your own and it's not working, right? So here's the update ICE Network posted, right? They say that the ICE /ION migration is now live. Everyone can now seamlessly swap their tokens directly inside the app, which means the app is currently working. Now, I know a lot of you people would like to ask me a question about the monetization of the platform, the full community, social media, and all of that. Don't worry, we'll address it before the end of this video. Now, they said directly inside the app, using our own custodial wallet, using our self-custodial wallet, which means you can be able to swap. The first swap wave is available only for ICE on BSC, which means Binance Smart Chain Network, right, to ION on BSC. Now, access will be gradually enabled over the next 72 hours. If it doesn't work for you yet, it will shortly. Once rollout is complete, swaps will be fully enabled for everyone, including for ION on BSC to ION on ION chain, and for ION on ION chain, ION on BSC chain, right? Over the coming period, we will allow the entire community to complete the migration while we prepare the next major milestone, the official ION listing, launched together with tokenized community and the Pump It Now browser extension. Now, these people are planning to list this ION. Once they officially list ION, they will list it on Binance, Bybit, and other crypto exchanges, right? Once they list, at the same time, they are going to tokenize the whole community, right? Which you can be able to earn through their social media platform by commenting, liking videos, and all of that. All three go live at the same time, making the start of ION the deflationary model and the next chapter of the ecosystem. So if they list their coin, they are going to tokenize the community, and then also we are going to be using their browser, Pump It Now. That's the name of the browser they are trying to bring. So if you know that you are an ICE miner, you have already mined, or maybe you bought, just make sure you transfer to the wallet and do your own swap, right? Change those tokens from ICE to ION. Simple as that. So just wait for the next update I'm going to post in this channel. I'll see you guys in the next update. Thank you.